Okay.
Wait. Let me. Oh god, I stepped in something.
Oh god, he stepped in something.
Yeah, I'm slippery. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is totally not what we came to do. Just for him to slip in something. But yeah, this is Uriel. This is DeAndre again. And we're gonna put a bag in the microwave this time. I heard that a chip bag sinks.
Episode 2, we're putting plastic bag in microwave.
Awesome. So I heard that a a chip bag is supposed to shrink, but we couldn't find a bag of chips or something. Next time we should put a whole bag of chips in there. Not even open it.
With the chips in it?
With the chips in it.
Freaking chips in it.
With the chips in it.
Alright, come on.
Let's see if it shrinks. If it shrinks, it'll be a baby
bag. That's
our
previous.
You want to leave it in there?
A few seconds ago, this is a cup of dish soap.
We should totally leave it in there. And
you saw what happened to that.
Microwave it together.
Fine, put it in there.
Yeah, let's do it. Do it. Shrink it. How long?
A minute.
Minute?
We gotta start off long, unlike last time.
1 minute, we're being very brave. Let's see what happens. Is it shrinking? Does it look like it's shrinking?
Dude, I think it is shrinking.
Is it?
Like freaking seriously. Look, it's going down.
Dude, is it shrinking?
I don't know. It looks like it's moving. The soap is bubbling again.
The soap is bubbling at the bottoms.
You smell it?
I smell it. It smells amazing. They can smell it all the way out there. This is so awesome.
We got 23 seconds left. Damn it. 23 seconds.
Come on, bag. Shrink. Shrink,
Watch
bag.
the microwave, explode.
Uriel and DeAndre parts, all over the place. Your mom's gonna be like, you're never going over there again.
But I'd be dead.
You would be dead.
It's done.
Oh wow, drink it. Rocket.
Damn beeping microwave. Is he still asleep? He's totally still
I
asleep.
think he rolled over. He's towards the couch now.
Why would he have an axe? He's a firefighter.
Touch it.
He's not a firefighter.
Is it hot?
Nope. It's just covered in soap stuff now.
Gross.
This is totally like a letdown. It didn't shrink at all.
Lame.
That's lame.
Unless we can find a chip bag.
Let's see if we can find a chip bag.
Throw that away. That's disgusting.
Yeah. We're Americans. Shut up. Don't have to recycle plastic stuff.
Why don't you put Cheerios in there?
Totally raiding this guy's cupboard just for the stuff in this microwave. What's in there? Nothing.
Chip bag.
Chip bag.
Chip bag.
Do it. Put the chips inside.
We found Lay's chip bag.
We found Lay's chip bag.
Chip bag.
And they got chips inside, which is probably gonna be totally rotten. He's not gonna do anything with them.
Are you gonna leave that in there?
Yeah, why not? It's gonna smell good. It's gonna cover up the smell.
What if that smells disgusting? That cheddar and sour cream. It'll be negated by the awesome smell of soap.
Dude, that whole thing shrinks.
Tiny little bag.
Okay. They better not have lied to me. Those jerks.
Who said that?
Couple of hippies.
Hippies? Really? Oh my. Dude, it's freaking shaking.
How did he know I was down there?
Oh my god. It's shaking.
Oh god.
Oh my god, look at it, freaking truck. Holy freak, dude, it freaking melted right there. There's a hole in the bag.
I think that was actually dangerous.
Oh my, look at it, it's freaking crinkled like crazy. Oh my god.
Dude, it was sparkly. I think the foil of it is under the bag.
I'm crying.
Me too.
I'm crying.
I am definitely
Get
crying.
a fork, go get a fork.
We're
I don't want to
definitely
touch
not
it.
supposed to poke this. I mean, not poke it. We're definitely not supposed to microwave this. You could totally die.
Totally die?
It was only on for 3 seconds.
Wait, will it shrink into nothing eventually? Wait, what happened to the chips? Focus. Take it out.
Infused with the thing.
Take it out.
Like all the dish soap like melted out. Dude, look at that. It's freaking crazy. Oh man.
Alright, take it out. Take it out. Grab it by one of the holes and take it out.
Are we gonna put this back in the cupboard?
Dude, I want some sour cream chips. Oh my god.
Oh, it's really hot. It's like mental now.
Alright, go get, I'll get another spoon. Or fork. Where'd you find that one? You went spatula.
I think it was like dirty something. Spatula.
Dude, this thing's gross.
It's just for the cover.
There, I got it. I got it.
This is what we come to see. He's watching us from the living
Look
room.
what we did to this freaking bag. It freaking shrunk. Look what happened to this. It shrunk. It's like crinkled.
What's wrong with you guys? Stop microwaving shit.
It's so
I'm about to die.
Alright, dude, it's so freaking hard. Look at that.
It's foil. You could have like destroyed his microwave.
It was only on for 3 seconds.
The chips are fine.
It was
I ain't cleaning that up.
you don't understand.
The chips were in there.
The bag was like freaking
It was
huge.
like this.
It was only in for 3 seconds. It was only in for 3
seconds.
It was only in for 3 seconds. You see me crying? I'm definitely crying.
I'm like totally crying right there. So let's clean it. We need to open this. How hot is it? It's not hot anymore. Open the bag. Hold one side. Okay.
Dude.
You know what? Here, hold this.
Put it back in the cupboard.
I want to see the chips. The chips are like completely fine. Look, they're like right in there.
I know. Do you want to eat them? You lactose intolerant. You can even have sour cream and cheddar.
Try this crumb. Here, try this. They taste amazing. They taste totally amazing.
It tastes like regular chips.
Okay, we're gonna put this back.
It tastes like
We're
regular
gonna
chips.
put this back where we found it.
it.
Up here. No, we'll put it right here. Right here. Plain sight. Open this cupboard and you'll see a crinkly, shrunken bag of sour cream and cheese Lay's chips. Look at it.
We'll be the only ones that know how it got like that. And the fat guy on the couch won't know anything.
Oh god, I got soap. Smells amazing.
It does smell amazing.
I need to clean my hands with the dish soap that we microwaved. No, just the box.
Wait. Is this gonna be our next experiment? Soothy Pepto-Bismol?
Oh my god.
Oh no, wait. Why am I saying soothe? I'm totally dyslexic, you guys. Don't laugh at me. It says soothe.
No video.
Okay, new video time.
Wait, let me see how this one came.